You may be wondering how to put on new brakes like Shimano MT200s or any other brakes on your MACFOX, and this works for any MACFOX ever. Well, not actually every MACFOX ever, just make sure it's past the 2025 model. I'm pretty sure 2024 models use cable brakes, and I don't know how to do that. I've already done some stuff, but I'll tell you what I did so far. First, I unscrewed the rear brake lever right here, and then I uncut all the zip ties holding my cables together. Then I put it all the way through here, and then I put it on the ground here. And then I went to uncut the zip ties that are right here. And then there should be a zip tie under here. And then it should be able to go like over here. And then it goes to the caliper right there. So this is my brake lever right here. It's all the way out. And we're gonna show you guys how to put on new brakes. So I have my Shimano MT200s right here and the new brake mount. I'll have those listed in the description and right here. And let's get into the video.
First things first, after you get all of this off, after you cut all the zip ties, you wanna find the right, whatever this is.
Allen key.
Allen key that fits into this. And you just wanna, oh freak, wrong way. So, get it how you're comfortable. Once you get it in. Oh, there. First one off. It's coming out. This can be fast forward.
Alright, so we have to get the second one right there to take off the brake and the mount. It's kind of hard, so you just want to like push it really, really hard to move the screw. If it's stuck, then just try to like slam it. Kind of like slap it like that.
Okay, once you have the rotor and the mount off, or not the rotor. Once you have the brake and the mount off, you can set it aside. Then you grab your new mount. Okay. And then you grab your bolts. So first things first, I'll grab scissors.
Pretty sure you use these bolts, maybe.
No.
These are the bolts that came with it.
These are the bolts that you use.
Okay. I mean, like they're the same thing.
Oh no, wait, let me try. And these
they are the same.
Yeah. So what I like to do, I like to just cut out the bolts I need only.
And make sure that you do not click the brake lever while you have the red piece out of there. Because the brake will actually,
when you put it in, it'll stay a little bit more closed every time. And if it does do that, you have to grab something like
No, don't use that. Hold on. Why'd you do that, Jace? Jace, why would you freaking touch it, bro?
I know what to do. Do you have needle nose pliers?
I have these.
Okay, bro.
You just squeeze it in through there.
Okay. Works. Okay. So you can put this through a little bit. Put the bolt in.
We got another side.
Hand tighten it for now. Make sure it's pressed up so it gets nice and firm. I'm gonna hand tighten it for now, and then once I need to, I will tighten it with the Allen keys.
So we found out that the brake mount wasn't on the right way. You want to make sure that it says up and it's going up right there.
Tighten it, not too much, so you don't strip the bolt. Okay, I just almost stripped the bolt. Yes, I have chubby fingers. Don't worry. Just because I'm a chud doesn't mean I can't put some grease in. Okay, then
Perfect fit.
you find your two bolts. You put one in. So this is going to be a little bit more difficult this time because I can't just go in a full circle. So I like to just get these two in for a sec. So I finger tighten them for a second.
Put it upwards, not to the side.
Like, oh.
Let's do a test. Jace, do the test. Make sure you grab the brake lever. No, just like you don't hear sound, right?
That's just the normal bike. Okay. So
Alright.
once you do that little testy poo, you bring it back to your workstation. Here, if you want, you can even test the brake.
That's it. Does it work?
Yep, it works.
It works. Let's go. All right, and now what you need to do, you just need to put it back onto your handlebars.
Well, first, if you want to make your bike look a little bit better, you should so after you cut all the zip ties, you should put this, like the cable, on where you cut the zip ties at. So
Well, that's what I was trying to say. I was saying like reverse it. Now you may have to put the brake lever upside down just in case it doesn't fit. But if you put it on the right side, then normally it would fit for the rear brake.
So first things first. What I'm gonna do, since we don't want to take this whole brake off, is I'm just gonna unscrew
You mean
this.
the grip?
The whole grip off. My bad. I was locked in on brakes because that's what I've been doing for the past 5 minutes. Take it off. Make sure it's somewhere safe, which is my pocket. Down your tool. Oh, this one don't stretch.
All right, and now we got the grip off, and I didn't realize that we had to take it off, but now we can actually put on the brake lever because it doesn't stretch out.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that it has enough space using the thing to go all the way down. As you can see, you might have to go like this, or you can just give it a little bit more space.
You can't put on the grip with that much. Put it farther.
I know.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Right
good.
here is good. So first things first, you get on your bike, you see how you want it. So in this
Put it
case,
exactly. Usually you put it with the other grip if you're
Or-
comfortable with that one.
you can put it like this, because it's when you're wheeling, if you do, it's a little bit easier to have it like this.
Mm-hmm.
So in my case, although this isn't my bike, I'm gonna put it like this for him because I'm better.
Yep, Jace is so much better.
You're kidding.
Yep. Now you have the Shimano MT200s on. Let's go! Yeah! Okay, bye guys.